welcome back. This is going to be an audio video test of the DDPAI Mini5. It's recording at 4K at 30 frames per second, and I'm also recording with the GNet Geon 2, and it's recording 2K at 30 frames per second. Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be my nighttime audio and video test of the DDPAI Mini5. Right now it's filming in 4K at 30 frames per second, and I don't know if you can tell, but I have all four windows down to check the wind noise to see what that's going to be like. And another thing is it's a little bit foggy right now, and I don't know if that's going to show up on camera, but that should be pretty interesting to see. It's just very slightly foggy.